Alright, let's get right into it. Because today, I'm breaking down the 7 habits that keep America's rich, well, rich. And no, it isn't just about having a fancy car or a big house. These are simple, repeatable habits you can start today. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, they live below their means. Shocking, right? But the richest people I've met are often the most frugal. They don't splurge just because they can. Instead, they focus on value, not just brand names. That's how you keep and grow wealth. Number 2, they automate their savings. Here's the deal. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left, you'll probably save nothing. The wealthy treat savings like a bill, automatic, non-negotiable every single month. Third, they invest early and often. The power of compounding is real, and the rich know it. They're always looking for smart investments, stocks, real estate, even businesses. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Fourth habit, they never stop learning. I mean, wealthy people read a lot, not just finance books, but everything from biographies to tech trends. They see learning as an investment that always pays out. Fifth, they build multiple streams of income. One job? Forget it. The rich have side hustles, rental properties, dividends, you name it. If one stream dries up, they've got others to lean on. Sixth, they track their spending. Seriously, the rich know where every dollar goes. It's not about being cheap, it's about being conscious. Money that isn't tracked has a funny way of disappearing. Finally, habit number 7, they build strong networks. Wealthy people surround themselves with other ambitious, driven individuals. They share ideas, get advice, and open doors for each other. Your network is your net worth, and the rich know it. So, quick recap. Live below your means, automate savings, invest early, never stop learning, build multiple incomes, track spending, and build strong networks. None of these habits are out of reach. Start small, pick one, and watch how your finances transform over time. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe for more money tips and let me know in the comments, which habit are you starting today?